Hi guys, how are you all? So today in this video, I wanted to share a little story with you. So please make sure that you stay tuned till the end because it is going to be super valuable. And today I will not be sharing any kind of beauty secret hair care videos with you guys. So 2 years ago, I thought that I will be starting to sell something online. So basically the idea in my mind was to start an Instagram store. But because this lockdown happened and everything went here and there, I thought I replaced that idea that I will be selling something online but on my own website. So I've been researching about it a lot that whenever things get better, I can come out with my own website and start selling things online because I always had this thing in my mind that I want to be an entrepreneur. That was the same reason I got in YouTube. So I was searching across internet and I came across this program called Ecom Freedom Challenge, which was by Digital Dukandar. And because the course was very inexpensive, I immediately enrolled in it. It was like 499 rupees for 5 days. Now it was mentioned in the course that by the end of the 5th day, if you do everything like he asked you to do, you can go live with your own store and sell things. Now this was about print on demand. This is something he has done for himself, like Nishkar Sharma. He has made $4.5 million in sales, guys, by selling t-shirts online. So I enrolled in the program. 28th of June was my first class and there were like so many people. I thought, what kind of support can I expect from these guys, because why are they going to be focusing on me when there are like so many people there? But I had conversation with Nishkar Sharma on Instagram. They have amazing support system, guys. Any kind of question you have at any point of time, they are going to be there for you on Facebook, on Instagram, on their numbers, and even in the WhatsApp group. Guys, in those 5 days, there used to be classes every day. At the end of each class, you get some assignments to do. Now, if you do those assignments, you can go live with your own store on day 5. Even I have my store live. So I have enrolled for another program, which is their more advanced program. I saw a girl who is like 20 years old and she is earning 20,000 rupees in profit every day by enrolling in the same course. So guys, I wanted to share this story and my experience with you guys just because of the fact that I was telling about this to all my friends and family members. You guys are my family, and especially to all the ladies out there. If you want to start something of your own, you want to be successful, you want to be independent and earn some money sitting at home, this is the course for you. Now I will make sure that I give the course link in the description box below. I will also give Nishkar Sharma's, the host, YouTube channel and Instagram in the description box below as well. So guys, I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon with another video. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.